Now, next section, brothers and sisters, in which the possessor is a definite noun. These are also definite nouns, but they had tanween. Proper nouns are all definite, so they had also tanween. Okay. Now we have nouns coming with al. So, brothers and sisters, Maktabul al-Mudarrisu. How will you say now? Maktabul Mudarrisi. Maktabul Mudarrisi. Maktabul Mudarrisi. Okay. Miftahun al-Baitu. Miftahul Baiti. Because al, remember that Hamza is Hamzatul Wasal. If it is in the middle somewhere, we assimilate it. We don't pronounce it. So you will say Miftahul Baiti. You cannot say Miftahu al Baiti. That will be wrong. Okay. Dukkanun at-tajiru. So you will say Dukkanut tajiri. How will you say, brother? Dukkanut tajiri. Dukkanut tajiri. Okay. Baitun al-muhandisu. Baitul muhandisi. Are you with me? Very good. Ismun al-waladu. Ismul waladi. Very good. Kitabun Allahu. Kitabullahi. What is it? What is this, brother? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Remember that. Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Okay. Bintun at-tabibu. Bintut tabibi. Bintut tabibi. Very good. Miftahun as-sayyaratu. Miftahus sayyarati. What will you say? Miftahus sayyarati. Sun letter, brother. Okay. Car's key. Key of the car. Do you understand? Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Very good, brother. Now, Ikra, Waktub, read and write. Ma means with. Dapti means with proper vowel signs on the awakhir, on the end of the kalimat, words. Okay, brother? What is the first one, brothers and sisters? Babul. Babul Madrasati. What is it? Babul Madrasati. See, there are no vowel signs. Those who have new books, they will find it, but our books don't have it. In 2 weeks' time. Next, brother, what is the next compound? Himarur Rajuli. Himarur Rajuli. Himarur Rajuli. Okay, what is the translation? Donkey after man. Next one, brother. Baitu Hamidin. House of Hamid. Okay, very good, brother. Sayaratul Mudiri. What will you say? Sayaratul Mudiri. Car of the headmaster. Next one, brothers and sisters. Mindilu Amma Rin. Handkerchief of Amma. Very good. Is it clear, brother? All of you agree with me? Yes. It's clear, inshallah. Okay. If not, then you can again ask me later on, inshallah. Ismut Talibi. What will you say? Ismut Talibi. Name of the student. Very good. Next one, that's very easy, brother. Baitullahi. We always say Baitullah, Baitullah. But we never say Baitullahi. Correctly, it is Baitullahi. Why he? Because it is Mudaf ilayhi. And Mudaf ilayhi is always Majroor. Fine, brother. I forgot to write this. This will be written like Kitabul Mudarrisi. Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi. Now I am writing here Fi, and then Kita. First, we do without the fee. First, we do without the fee. If I say to you like this, what kind of a vowel sign you will put on it? Dhamma. Kitabullahi. Book of Allah. Fine, brother. I'll put Dhamma here. But now, fee has come in front of it. And what does fee do? It makes the ism majroor. It gives it a kasra. Ism majroor. Remember, if I tell you harf jar, ism majroor, you'll always reply me ism majroor. It will make it majroor. Okay. Now fee came, then this changed into majroor, kitabi. And then Allahi is there. Now, the effect of fee is only up to one noun. It has no control over here. No control over here, brother. Fi kitabil lahi. Now, if I were to analyze, how do I analyze? Harf jar, ism majroor. But then at the same time, they have a relationship. Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. So in other words, this thing is one compound, and brother and sister, this has another compound. So we have here fi harfu jarrin, and then this is ismun majrurun, ism majrur, plus huwa mudaf. It is mudaf. And then what will this be? Mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? In other words, if they say phrase like this coming in the book or coming in the Quran, brother and sister, coming in the Quran, it will be harf jar, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Okay? We will be repeating it many times. Because I feel that if I show you how to do simple analysis now, then in book 2 and book 3, and then when the Quran will come in front of us, brother, you will understand it beautifully. Directly. That is our aim, to understand Quran directly. In Arabic. The Quran has to be read in Arabic and understood in Arabic. The miracle of the Quran is the language of the Quran. Brother, message of guidance is there. But how was the message brought down? It's a miracle. What is the miracle of Prophet Musa alayhi salam? Asa, stick. It's gone. We don't have it now. What was the prophet of Hazrat Isa? He gave eyes to the blind. He raised a dead person. He gave life with the permission of Allah. Okay, but are those persons here to show us that I was dead and I became alive? They are gone. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in His infinite wisdom gave Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam a miracle that will remain miracle till the end of time. And if you don't know the language, you will never feel that miracle, brother. It's up to you and up to us. But as a Muslim, we must read the Quran in Arabic and we must understand in Arabic. That is what is our responsibility. As long as we live here. And brother, as a non-Arabs, we got to make an effort. And Allah will make it easy on us. And we will learn the language of the Quran. We learn everything. Did we know computer when we were born? No, we learned later on in life. You became a doctor or engineer or a lawyer or whatever you name it, you all learned everything, your trade. What about the language of the Quran? We got to learn that too, inshallah. Okay, brother, having said this, so, fi kitabillahi. Now, what's the next one? Min. What's the next line, Sister Salma? Min. By till. Look, you cannot say two now. Min has come. Are you with me? Harf jar? Ism majroor. Min by till mudarrisi. You got to write it. Okay. And brothers and sisters, if you make a mistake, what is my advice to you? Don't worry. Because I tell you, I have had students who told me, some took 2 weeks to understand mudaf ilayhi. Some took maybe more than that. So the concept to sink in your mind may take a little longer. Some of you may get it in one day, brother. So you should not be worried, inshallah. We are going to do it slowly, inshallah. What is the next one? Ala maktabil mudiri. Are you with me? So how will you analyze min baitil mudarrisi? Min harfu jar, baiti ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilahi. Ala maktabil mudiri. What is ala? Harf jar. What is maktabi? Ism majroor. Wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Brother, in the handout we have given you some of the most frequently used harf jars. What is harf jar in English? Preposition. There is a list of preposition given. What are they? What are these? Are all jar majroor, and they are from the Quran. Read it and feel it. They are all from Quran. Okay? Every day. So brother, what are the harf jars? Ala, min, ila, fi, an, li, and bi. Bi with kasra is a harf jar. Brothers and sisters, every single day you say, we don't know how many times we all say. Now today we are going to analyze it. We are going to analyze it. Okay, now this is B and this is ism. Okay, now see, the hamza of ism is hamzatul wasal. If it comes in the beginning of the sentence, we will pronounce it like ismul waladi. But it did not come in the beginning, something else came in the front, then that hamzatul wasal will not be pronounced. Okay, so I'm writing here brother. Now you analyze it. What is B? Harf jar. What is ism? Ism majroor. Wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayh. If you took out B, how will you pronounce now? Ismullahi. What will you say? Ismullahi. Bring B, Bismillahi. Bismillahi. So brother Muhammad, harf jar, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? And what is after that? Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. When we go to lesson number 9, then we will analyze the whole thing. Slowly, brother. One day, inshallah, we will analyze the salat we pray, so that you know what you are saying in your salah. And you will, inshallah, enjoy it, brother. Okay, now, this is not the way Bismillah is written in the Quran. It's not. The only time it is written differently, it is in the Quran. It is from the time of Hazrat Uthman radiallahu anhu. Okay, brothers and sisters. Because you don't pronounce Hamzatul Wasal, they eliminate that. Only in the Quran. Otherwise, normally you have to write down. Huh? Okay? Hamzatul Wasal, if it is not pronounced, but it's still written. It is written. It may not be pronounced. But in this case, Hamzatul Wasal, because it is not pronounced, it has been dropped. Huh? So how do you say now, brother? Now I tell you what is B harfshar. What is ism? Ism majrur. Wahuwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayh. Got the idea, brother? It's simple and wonderful. Huh? Okay, brother and sister. Now we go to, brother, we go to lesson number 5 again. I want to revise because it's important. We don't want to rush. Before we do that, again, a general explanation. Nouns in Arabic decline according to the functions they play in the sentence. In English, we say noun decline in 3 cases. Nominative case, accusative case, and genitive case. In Arabic, we say the noun can be marfu, noun can be mansub, and noun can be majroor. Okay? According to the functions they play. Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Okay, there are 2 kinds of sentences. One is called jumla ismiya, and other is called jumla fi'liya. Right now, we try to understand in the most simple way that if there is a jumla ismiya, the sentence will begin with a noun. That is why it is called jumla ismiya, because then sentence will begin with a noun. Okay. In Jumla Ismiya, we are looking for 2 things. We are looking for Mubtada and Khabar. In English, we say we are looking for subject and predicate. And I told you, brother, Mubtada is always marfu. Always marfu. Mubtada is always marfu. And Khabar, if it is one word, it's marfu. No mansub. Mansub are coming in book 2. Don't worry. Mubtada, marfu. Khabar, marfu. Are you with me, brother? Okay. Then we learned in lesson number 4 that khabar can also be jarun wa majrurun. If I say jarun wa majrurun means there is a harf jar followed by ism majroor. Muhammadun, what is Muhammadun? Mubtada, marfu. Mubtada. Okay, what is the khabar? Fil masjidi. What is it? Fil masjidi. So what is fil masjidi? Fi, harf jar, al masjidi, jar majroor, and ism majroor. Jarun majroor, we say shibbu jumla. What is the meaning of shibbu jumla? Phrase. It is all in the handbook, Sister Mainas. Aap dekhenge inshallah when you will go through it. What is phrase? A group of words which does not make complete sense. In the masjid. Doesn't make sense. When you say Muhammadun is in the masjid, now it makes sense. So Muhammadun mubtada. Then where is the khabar? Fil masjid. Fi harf jar. Masjid ism majroor. Together we say jarun wa majrurun. Are you with me? Jarun wa majrurun. Okay? Shubu jumla khabar. Al kitabu mubtada. Alal maktabi. Jar majroor. Shubu jumla ala on maktabi desk. Okay, look at this, brothers and sisters. Are you watching me? Describe this. Al-kalamu alal maktabi. What is al-kalamu? Mubtada. What is alal maktabi? Jarun, majrurun, shibu jumla, khabar. Okay? Fine, brother? Now, we start like that. Sa'idun. What is Sa'idun saying? Akitabu Muhammadin haza. Akitabu Muhammadin haza. How will you do you translate, brother? Is this book of Muhammad? Now, if you want, you can do one thing with pencil. You can circle Kitabu Muhammadin. Are you with me? So what is Kitabu Muhammadin, brothers and sisters? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. You can circle it if you want. If you want. If you are strong, you don't need to circle it. But okay. Now remember one thing, brothers and sisters. We will not analyze questions. Only statements. Not all of them in the book, but whenever we feel, we will give it a try. Okay. La. What is la, brother? Harfu jawab. It's a particle of answering. It's a harf. Okay. All the words in Arabic language can be put into three groups. What are those three groups? Nouns, verbs, and particles. Very good, brother. Okay. Now, what is the next one, brother? Aina Kitabu Muhammadin. Where is the book of Muhammad? You can again circle if you want Kitabu Muhammadin or underline it. Whatever you want to do it. You can even underline it. Where is the book of Muhammad, brother? Huwa. What is huwa? It is mubtada. Where is the khabar? Alal maktabi. Ala harf jar. Maktabi ism majrur. And what is hunaka? Hunaka is a zarf. It's telling you about a place. It is adverb. Zarf. Zarf. Zarfu makan. Because it is telling you a place. Zarfu makan. In English, adverb of place. Zarfu makan. Okay, fine. It's also in the book, Sister Menas. Fine. Aina daftaru Ammarin. Where is the notebook of Ammar? Are you with me? Where is it? Okay. Huwa mubtada. Where is the khabar? Alal maktabi. Char majrur shibu jumla khabar. But let us analyze, brother. Ala harf char. Where is ism majrur? Maktabi. But there is something more following it. Then it is mudaf and then mudaf ilayhi. We will say huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Very good, brother. Kalamu man haza ya Ali. Kalamu man haza. Brother, this you should circle. Kalamu man is a mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Pen of who? Whom? Or in English we'll say, whose pen is this? Or you can say pen of who? You can say. You know, in order to translate in a way that we understand, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, pen of who? You use of there. So, kalamu man is mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Okay. See what is the sign that it is mudaf? Because it does not have alif, it does not have tanween. So it is mudaf, mudaf. This compound. It is a compound. Okay. Hadha. Tell me the hadha. Hadha mubtada. Where is the khabar? Kalamu. Because here it is, does the kalamu have one vowel sign? No al. So this is your khabar. And also, does it have a dhamma? Yes. So khabar is always marfu. It is marfu. But huwa mudaf and then mudaf ilayhi. Sahi? Inshallah. Aina hakibatul mudarrisi. Hakibatul mudarrisi. Handbag of the teacher. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay, now remember, it is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Okay, what is the answer? Hiya. Why hiya, brother? Because it refers to hakiba. Hakibatu, which is feminine. Okay. In Arabic, noun is always masculine or feminine. No in between, brother. Hiya, mubtada. Now tell me where is the khabar? Tahta. What is tahta? Under. Fine, brother. More than that. It is a zarf. It's an adverb. Tahta means under. Tahta is an adverb of place. Zarfu makan. And we learned last Thursday, now we repeat it again. If there is a zarf, not all the zarf, but many zarf, if there is a zarf, it will behave as if it is mudaf. Then if it is mudaf, then we should have mudaf ilayhi. So tahta is a zarf, it behaves like a mudaf. So then what is al-maktabi? Mudaf ilayhi. And it is majroor. Sister Fatima, al-maktabi. Why maktabi? Because it is ism majroor. Because it is mudaf ilayhi. It became majroor. Are you with me, brother? Is it clear? So remember that. Now I tell you one thing. Here, mubtada. Where is the khabar? Tahta. You will say tahta zarf. And then you will again say shibu jumla. Shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? Shibu jumla khabar. And then al-mudarris, al-maktabi, mudaf ilayhi. Now, let us summarize. We are going to learn how many kinds of khabar. Slowly. Some scholars can just say only 3 kinds. But for simplicity's sake, I say 5 kinds. And then we will learn them. Okay. So far how many different kinds of khabar we have learned? 3. What is it? Either it is one word. If it is one word, then it is always marfu, brother. Never anything else. Always marfu. And if it is not one word, then there is a possibility it is jarun wa majrurun. Like a Muhammadun fil baiti. Okay? Muhammad is in the house. So fil baiti is your khabar. Jarun majrur. See here I say Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. What is Muhammad? Mubtada. What is talibun? Khabar. See, one word. And khabar is most of the time indefinite. Mubtada most of the time is always definite. Fine. Muhammadun talibun. Fine. Muhammadun fil fasli. Muhammad is in the classroom. What is Muhammad? Mubtada. Where is khabar? Fil fasli. Fi harf jar. Al fasli ism majrur. Jar majrur. Shibu jumla khabar. Okay. Now Muhammad is sitting under the tree. So I will say Muhammadun tahta shajarati. What did I say? He is under the tree. Muhammadun tahta shajarati. Tahta is a zarf. It behaves like a mudaf. So shajarati is now mudaf ilayhi. Majroor. So okay. Muhammad mubtada. What is tahta? Zarf. And then you will say shibu jumla khabar. But in the case of zarf, Sister Mehnas, we won't say it is mudaf. We will only say it is zarf. And then the noun which is coming after it is majroor. We will say it is mudaf ilayhi. Again, brother, Muhammadun tahta shajarati. Okay. Muhammadun mubtada. Tahta zarf. Zarf. Shibu jumla khabar. Are you with me? And then what about the shajarati? Mudaf ilayhi. Khalas. That's the way we analyze. Okay, brother? That's the way we analyze. Okay. Now, I want to do a little more. And then we will take only 15 minutes break, inshallah. Not long, brother? Okay. Ikra, page number 28. Because I have to explain you a lot of things in this, brothers and sisters. Okay. Ikra, read. Aina baytul mudarrisi. Only translation. What is it, brother? Aina baytu. Because it is mudaf ilayhi. Baytul mudarrisi. Can you say bayti? No. Why not? Because no harf jar came there. Aina is not harf jar. Okay. And also we don't analyze questions. What is the answer? Huwa ba'idun. What is the meaning of it? It's far. Huh? So where is our mubtada? Huwa. Where is our khabar? Do you see it's marfu? And it's one word? Huh? Marfu and one word? Very good. Now comes, brother, second. What is the first word? Al-Qur'anu. Huh? Okay. I would like you to do something, Sister Salma. You were confused. That's normal. Okay. I'm writing the sentence, okay, brother? Al-Qur'anu Kitabul Lahi. Huh? I want you to, with a pencil. With a pencil. What is the meaning of that? It's a mubtada. So I want to separate it so that I don't get confused. In the beginning, if you do all these small things, it will help you. Al-Qur'anu mubtada. Okay, then we want our khabar. Where is the khabar? Kitabullahi. It cannot be kitabi. Huh? Because if you combine it, then you are getting confused. Al-Qur'anu, khalas. Kitabullahi. So where is the khabar? Kitabu. Khabar, if it is one word, is always marfu. If you say Kitabullahi, then this is majroor. No, that is not right. Remember I told you, Dr. Abdurrahim told me that many students who are coming from Dini madrasas into the university in Medina, and they have been, rata lagana. They just memorize it without thinking, and teacher says, where is the khabar? They say Kitabullahi. So Dr. Abdurrahim said, where is the khabar? He said Kitabullahi. He said, no, that's not correct. I told you that khabar is always marfu. So where is the marfu? One word, Kitabu. This is your khabar. Kitabu is your khabar. Okay. What more? Wahuwa mudah. What is it? Wahuwa mudah. Sahi? And then what is this? Mudaf ilayhi. So this is how you will do it. Okay, brothers and sisters? Next one. Al-Kaabatu, put a line. That way you separate your mubtada. Al-Kaabatu. What about Kaabatu, brother? Tell me the news. Mubtada. And what is the news? Baitu. Wahuwa mudah. And then, okay, brother, Al-Kaabatu, if you put a line, okay, what is the news? Baitullahi. So, where is the khabar? Baitu, wa huwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Ji?
What is Allah then?
Mudaf ilayhi. Yes. It's majroor. Okay? Kaaba is the house of Allah. House is the, what is Kaaba? It is a house. House of Allah. So, of Allah is majroor. And the khabar is always marfu. Very good, brother. Muhammadun. Remember? Muhammadun. Brother, do one thing. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Put it into a bracket. Sallallahu. You could have said that the actual sentence is Muhammadun Rasulullahi. But as a Muslim, whenever we say Muhammad, we say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That has got nothing to do with what we are trying to say. Huh? Okay? So it is called, parenthesis? Parenthetical class. Okay? Same way, if I say Allah, who, and then even immediately I say Subhanahu wa ta'ala, that is also parenthetical clause. Huh? Okay. Fine. Muhammadun. What about Muhammadun? Muhammadun. Muhammadun. Mubtada. It is mubtada. Oh, where is the khabar? Rasul. Only Rasul. Wahuwa mudaf. And then Allahi mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me, brother? Abdul Qadir? You are getting there, brother? Inshallah. Next one, brother. Oh, okay. Yes. The actual sentence is, what is your actual sentence, brother? This is the sentence I wrote first day on the board. Muhammadun okay, brother? I put a line to separate Mubtada and Khabar. What is Muhammad, brother? Mubtada. Huh? How will you translate? Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Now we say Muhammad, Mubtada, brother. What about the news? Rasulu. And what is Rasulullahi? Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi. But first and foremost is Rasulu is your khabar. Wahuwa Mudaf. And then Mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Now we come, brothers and sisters. Yes.
So like the reason why it's Rasulullahi is because Muhammadun is not harf jar, right?
Brother, harf jar, brother. There are, how many harf jars we have studied so far? Fi, ila, ala, and min. Now, brother, these are harf jar. And on page number 8, on top, see in the handout, page number 8, you will see all the harf jar. Now, Muhammad is a noun, brother. And Mubtada is always a noun. Huh? Harf jar cannot become Mubtada. Can never be Mubtada. You know why? Because Mubtada is always marfu. Why? Mubtada is always marfu, brother. So what is Muhammadun? Is it a harf jar or noun? No. It's a noun, brother. That is why it has got Dhamma there. Huh? Okay, so if you say Muhammadun, do you see dun? Okay, so that is your marfu. That is your mubtada. Are you with me? And then what else is here? Rasulu. What khabar? Marfu again, one word. Wahuwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayh. Didn't I tell you, brother Farooq? If I say dun, it's marfu. If I say dan, it's mansub. If I say din, it's majroor. Okay? Therefore, dun dan din din, dun dan din din, dun dan din din, dun dan din din. Brother, don't take it as a joke. I'm taking it as a very seriously. Dun, marfu, dan, mansub, din, majroor, brother. So you are reminding yourself, dun, dan, din. Huh? Means marfu, mansub, majroor. What is it? The noun can have 3 cases. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Now, next one, brother, number 5. Kharaja. Oh. I did not say ho. I said oh. Kharaja. What is kharaja? Fi'al. What kind of sentence is this? No. Kharaja is jumla fi'liya. What is it? Jumla fi'liya. What I am looking for in jumla fi'liya? I am looking for fi'al and I am looking for fa'il. And again I told you last week, fa'il is always, you forgot? Marfu. Fa'il is always marfu. Okay? Remember this. So, what is kharaja and what is next one, brother? Mudarrisul. Kharajal mudarrisu min ghurfatil mudiri. Okay? Now this is jumla failure. When the Jumla failure comes, I look for fi'al and I look for fa'il. That is the most important things that I have to discover and identify in Jumla failure. And the rest of the things are all complementary. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Kharaja. What is kharaja? Fi'al madi. Is it fi'al madi? Yes, it is fi'al madi. Where is the file? No, brother. Al-mudarrisu. Remember, in huwa and here, I told you last time, file can be mustatir or can be mawjood in the sentence. So before you jump to the conclusion mustatir, look into the sentence. Maybe it is coming little further down the road. But then we have to read the whole sentence and then figure out the file. Fine, brother. So, mudarrisu is your file. Okay, what is min? Harf jar. What is gurfati? Ism, no, khabar. Khabar is only in jumla ismiya, not in jumla failure. Remember that. And that is also normal because so far we are doing so much of jumla ismiya that we are always looking for khabar. Even if it is not there, we are looking for it. So don't worry. Okay. Khabar, mubtada khabar in jumla ismiya. Jumla failure, fi'al and fa'il. Are you with me? Okay, min. What is min? Harf jar. What is gurfati? Ism majroor. Wa huwa mudaf. And then where is mudaf? You got the idea, brothers and sisters? Okay. Okay, now, there is one more thing. But we'll do sixth one and then I'll stop. Hadha. What is hadha? Mubtada. Okay, brother, put a line there. What is now khabar? Baytu. Baytu only. Hadha baytu. And what will be the next word? Hami din. So our khabar is baytu wa huwa mudaf and then mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Alhamdulillah. Wa. What is wa? Ataf. Conjunction. Ataf. Dhalika. What is dhalika? Dhalika. Mubtada. Mubtada. Put a line there after dhalika. Got the idea? I'm just telling you these things so that you know it will make a lot of things will become simpler. Right? Okay? Dhalika. Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Baytu. Wa huwa mudaf. And then Khalidin. Mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Alhamdulillah. But we are going to do a lot of practices. This whole lesson devotes itself on mubtada, khabar, plus now it is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. So far, brothers and sisters, so far, the khabar is coming as a mudaf. But mubtada can be mudaf too. Okay, I give you a simple sentence, Sister Salma. Baytullahi fi Makkah. Translate. The house of Allah is in Makkah. Okay, so where is mubtada? Baytu, not Allahi. Only Baytu. Remember, mubtada is marfu. If you say Baytullahi, then Allahi is majroor. It cannot be part of mubtada. So here is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi in the beginning. Baytullahi. So Baytu is mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf. And Allah mudaf ilayhi. And where is the khabar? Fi. Harf jar. And Makkah. Ism majroor. Jar majroor. Shibu jumla. Khabar. Okay? Are you with me, brother? Okay? If I tell you, Ibnu Muhammadin, translate, son of Muhammad. Ibnu Muhammadin, Fil masjidi. Where is mubtada? Ibnu only. Ibnu only. Wa huwa mudaf. And Ibnu Muhammadin mudaf ilayhi. Okay, where is the khabar? Fil masjidi. Fil masjidi. Are you with me, brother? Okay. Ibnu Hamidin tahta shajarati. Translate, brother. Ibnu Hamidin, son of Hamid, is under the tree. So where is mubtada? Ibnu. Wa huwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayhi. What is tahta? Zarf. Shibu jumla khabar. And then what is sharati? Mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me?